Hi, I'm Jem. I'm going to show you how to put one of these pendulum spinners together. So you should have two narrow uprights, one wide upright, a top, a base unit, 10 shelves, Allen key, and the acrylic bookends. So start with one of your narrow uprights, tip it up like that, and then look for this slot detail here, where the slot runs off the end. That's the bottom. So start there, slot facing up, just push these down one at a time onto there. Some of them will be a bit tighter than others. So one side done. So you want those to be nice and flat. And then line that up to the wide upright, and what you're looking for is these black clips that they line up with each other. Check that you've got bottom slot, both at one end. Flip that over. Everything should line up. Start at one end and just gently line that up, tap it into place, and once you're flush here and here, take your Allen key, come in close here, and we're finding that fitting in there, and we're going about 100 degrees, just over a 90-degree turn until that's firm. Don't over tighten it because you'll break it. And again at that end, boom, tight. Over. Again, I'm looking for alignment here and here, and I'm looking for those two bottom slots to be at one end there. So repeat your assembly. Roll that over, check everything lines up, tap tap tap, again looking for these fixing holes, push that all the way in nice and firm, and then lock that off. Again there, boom, 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 boom. So what you're actually looking at there is a little cam that comes out and engages with the other side of the clip. Put that in the right way. Okay, so once that is all together, check which end is the bottom. Get someone to help you lift this on if necessary, and gently drop that down onto the base. Check that everything lines up. Now this is super important because this is what keeps it standing up. Make sure you tighten up these two at the bottom. Again, about 90 degrees, just over, till it's firm. And there's two of those at the bottom. Make sure you get both of them nice and firm. Boom. Make sure your slots are lining up. Again, repeat that action at the top. We've got the same detail there. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to find the Allen key, and if you look in the hole you can see that it's off to one side. I'm just going to poke my Allen key on a bit of an angle there, find it. Again, tighten that up. Check that everything feels firm together. So the last thing you need to do is take your acrylic and one of these, they're all identical, starting in the bottom corner where the little divot is. You want to peel that off. avoid touching it too much with your fingers. So I'm holding it by the side there, putting it in. So the way to put these in is drop it in on the angle like that, push it all the way to the back, and then just push the front down, and that should sit nice and square in there. And do the rest of those and you're done. Thanks.